$1.99. Alrighty. Well, we've got some wonderful Kickstarters happening all over the home. We're gonna move things over to the kitchen right now for this fantastic moment that I absolutely love from our friends at KOCHBLUME, the #1 culinary brand at QVC Germany, which means cook flour. This is a 4-piece nestable silicone measuring cup set. I love this. I own this. The first time I presented this, I was like, oh, I'm buying this one for sure. So you're gonna get all 4 of these pieces for a clearance price of $19.99 or 4 easy payments of $5. There are 204 5-star reviews for these fantastic measuring cups. This is my favorite part right here, this silicone moment. Yes. And there's a fantastic little window right here, so you can go ahead and see exactly your liquids in there. So for my bakers out there, if we're pouring, we can go ahead and really just squeeze that and shimmy that right into our mixing bowl or our sauces or whatever we're doing here. It's so fantastic. So let's talk about the colors and then the sizes. So the set you're seeing right here is the clear. And then we also have it available right next door here in a red, but you're still getting that little window in there. Oh, we only have 150 left in the red. And then here is the teal. We have 7 dozen in the teal. Okay, teal lovers, this is your moment to check out, and also still getting that clear view sort of, semi-clear view window there where you can see any kind of liquid that's being poured in there. So what you're getting, let's come right over here back to the half or to the clear. You're getting a 1/2 cup, 1 1/4 cup, 2 cup, and then a 4 cup. There's no reorder, and these are our final quantities on this one. But this right here is the move, the nestable moment. We're now saving a whole bunch of space. We've got a little storage saver happening as well. But this is so good because everybody that's cooking out there, let's face it, those measuring cups, they just end up all over the place. Am I right? You stack them and for some reason they unstack and then they're just scattered all over. This is awesome because these nest perfectly down into one another. But for me, it was all about that pour spout. I love to bake and I love to sort of add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients and my KitchenAid. And this here is the moment for me where I can literally just like, just squeeze that right on in, especially if you're wanting to separate your egg whites and your yolks. This is a really cool moment too because you can absolutely do that here. This clear view window makes life oh so much easier. Absolutely fantastic. So you just choose which color you want. Here's that clear again. We also have this available in the red, which is already getting very limited. And then, we are moments away from making our teal your last and final call. No reorder and final quantities. Less than $20 bill right here. Quoting my girl, Pat James Dementry, 4 easy payments of $5. 204 5-star reviews for this one for a reason. Everybody loves this one from our friends over at QVC Germany, KOCHBLUME, for the 4-piece nestable silicone measuring cup set. Oh, so good. Clear, red, hurry, hurry on that teal, and definitely check out. So definitely shop this one with K74345. All right, so we've gone into the kitchen.